Alright, I got my empty case, got my CPU, that goes in my motherboard, got my RAM sticks, and of course I got my solid state drive for storage. Time to put the motherboard together. Now I got my graphics card, my cooler, and my power supply. I am using the rule that we use for spark plugs. Try to start with like the hardest one. That way it's downhill from there. Instead of doing all the easy ones and then like really struggling at the end. Somehow it makes a difference. Also, I am not tightening any of them all the way down to leave a little bit of room to shift the motherboard if I have to, so a hole can line up better. Now I am going ahead and tightening down all 9 screws. I think next I'll work on actually mounting this radiator. So far, building this has been almost exclusively a joy. I don't know, I guess I'm used to things really not fitting and having to grind and tweak. But it's just really cool to see provisions made for different sizes. Like, I thought for a second that maybe it was unwise to mount the radiator and then the fans. But I think there's enough clearance for all of them. It probably would be better to mount the fans and then the radiator. But I'm going to say screw it. I'm going to go all in and screw them all in and then suffer with the consequences. I wanted to use these. I got them at like a thrift store. Air coolers. But I couldn't figure out the bracketry. So I just bought this all-in-one cooler. I get the bragging rights of being liquid cooled. And it just looks cool. I like the white contrast. I do not anticipate any CPU overheating either way. I realized that I covered a port that I might need later, so I might have to take this fan back out when I figure out what it's for. Okay, so I think it's graphics card time. Broke one out. It looks like I need these 2 out. I'm just wiggling them till they snap. Yeah, I'm extra cautious. Because breaking my GPU would make me nauseous. Ooh, I love it. I think I want to try to slip the power supply in the bottom and start routing some cables. Got my Supernova. Probably been 1/2 hour, ran 1 cable. At this point, it doesn't really seem possible. I realized that I covered a port that I might need later. read up that the fans almost invariably push towards the bracket end. So I gotta switch both of my radiator fans. Not a big deal. I want it to blow out the top here and not blow in. So I believe all my cables that I need right now are hooked up. I'm still gonna pull some of these back and tidy them up a little bit. CPU cooler's mounted. RAM sticks are mounted. SSD is mounted and covered. Graphics card is mounted and powered. I think I have no loose ends. No wires that have dead ends right now. And that is kind of exciting. Nope, there is one more chassis fan connector I gotta do. There was the last connection. That is a benchmark. That is a checkpoint. That is a landmark. That is a celebration point. Pretty excited. Isn't she a beaut? A lot of people are going to be like, ill. Or something. I don't know. I think it almost looks retro. Actually, I should probably make sure it posts first. And then tidy up the wires in case I do need to move something. I don't know, it works. What the? This is a big moment. I don't have the monitor ready or the keyboard, but they're just an arm's length away. I'm going to use this computer for 10 years, mark my words. Ship of Theseus paradox though. It's still the same PC even if I change all the parts once. But no, I'm planning on changing maybe one of the parts, maybe adding one thing. So it's still going to be the same computer. 10 years. Today is February 15th, 2023. Yes. So, oh geez, oh dear. 2033. This TV should work, right? As long as it has HDMI, which it looks like it do. Good as any, right? HDMI 2. Power supply on. Okay. Ready? Okay. This is like a big moment for me. Or it might not be. Like it might not work. I'm gonna try this. Look it. Oh my goodness. That's cool. Oh, what was that? Is that bad? I think it's bad. Wait, it'll probably do it again, I'm guessing. Okay. Do I need to hit that start button? No signal. Oh! Please press delete or F. Something's happening. I was weird about those 2 cycle offs. For all I know, since I'm completely new, that's normal. Look at this. Beautiful. That is exciting. Look. Ooh, it's a beauty. So I'm the type of person that seeing this just on is almost enough for a while. Like enough satisfaction. Like I almost just want to go to bed tonight. Not leaving it on, but like knowing that it turns on and absorb that for a while so I get to appreciate it. But I'm not going to really do that. I'm going to try to set more up. Sweet. It knows the date. Creepy. Actually, that is kind of creepy, isn't it? Oh, it's probably that little battery in there. I probably sound stupid to people who really know. Here's my Linux Mint cinnamon stick. I'm going to plug this in, F10, save this, and see if I can get this to go. It is beautiful. It looks like a real computer now. I should probably hook a mouse up. Oh my gosh, it works. I don't know why I'm so surprised every time something works. Okay. Time zones. Yeah, in New York, I think, right? It is installing. File 2 of 7. That's a bit exciting. There's my password box. Don't look. Sweet. Awesome. Nice.